Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. Happy Mother's Day to all the women out there. Okay, yesterday na Mother's Day, Sunday, today na Monday. I need to wish all my beautiful lady out there happy Mother's Day. Today I bring our sister Nneka. She made down to my table. She made down to my table. Welcome, sis Nneka. She talk a lot. Let's dive into the topic. Let's hear from her what she get to talk.
You guys, I've been thinking a lot. I've been telling myself that, if people know me on this YouTube street, you people know me here, and you don't, a lot of people don't know a lot about me. And sometimes when I do question and answer thing, like question tag thing, some people just ask the wrong questions. So I just wanted to brief you guys on just talk about myself for a while, just me, how I grew up, my life. If I tell you people that taught me at primary school, most people don't know the school I went for primary school. If I say primary school, most people don't know anything. No jack on. I was thinking about my life, and I'm like, I haven't had the easiest life. I would say that. It hasn't all been all sweet for me, especially growing up. It was really tough.
My people, our sister said many of us, we don't know how she take grow. We don't know anything about her. We don't even know anything about you, sis. We don't even know anything about everything about you without talk and come out as you they explain her now. Now they will know everything about you. Me want sit down for here. I don't know anything about me because I not be my mother, I not be the same father, the same mother, with the same brother, the same sister. Now wait till we bring come out now, people. This see now wait till you bring come out now we see. Okay, as you try to bring your parents out, waiting how the school when you go, this how your parents separate. Yes, NJ and a sister, they do that thing for America, and Nelo don't still do this video before. For me, if they ask me, I go talk. Where it's good as you talk, use them to educate others, to educate the young ladies, the young guys, the young men when you go embark on this kind of journey. You want to try to tell them, say, no be them, they suffer. Now the children, they suffer. Okay, it's good the way when all of them forgive our parents, now forgive our mom, now forgive our father, because last time Nelo take her mom out of Nigeria and go flex her mom and her mother-in-law. Kudos to you guys. I really appreciate God for our life, for that bond when God undermine they don't take care of now for the same roof. But that love of unit, I can vow say yes, God give now gift. God just gift you now. No be now power, now God gift you now. That gift of love sister, because people like now for hard to get that love. People when they would train together in the heart talk of they separate una, they scatter una around the country, around the Nigeria country. Well, no be that one I want try to talk. Now, wait, I want try to talk whether my sister would like to clear the hair again. Any of them would like to clear the hair again. We will really appreciate that part, because that part, me, the Naija daughter, I want really know that part. Whether why una suffer this suffer, because I know say you get mother, I know say you get grandmom, and I know say your dad dey, but I know if I will come out your dad, I will put your mom and your grandmom. When your mother and your father separate, why your mom not take care of now? Now father take una away from now mom. One answer question, my sister, my beautiful sister, if you come across this my video, but I will tag you. Una father take una away from na mom, or now una mom abandon una give una dad. Okay, well una mom abandon una give una dad. Why grandma not take care of na? May he so rest in peace, because I know say na grandma, he never took it when God called her home. He never inside last year, last 2 years. Me I not go there. But you mentioned about how your father take you to his friend. If your dad take you to his friend, I not believe say your dad go collect una from na mom, because he knows say he no get chance. Abi he want just take out collect. He just collect una from na mom just to punish una, or because I know we say that na mom be dey punish now because now be the children, now be the innocent children. Because that kind of journey is not good. If you be guy out there, you be woman out there, just because you and your husband separate, then you want abandon the children for the man. Say, you want teacher, you want tell her, say the work when you they do, now extra work. Say now, may take your children. As it take be children, as it take be your children. As you take abandon those children for your husband. What if you come marry other woman? As you marry other woman, the other woman call the maltreat them. One. Okay, as this our sister na Nneka. Their father not believe say he marry another woman, but what did he do? He send them out of the house. He take Nneka to his friend. He take another one to another place. Then Nneka say that place is not ever dey okay. Person one will abuse her. Omo, my beautiful sister, if as you do this video, kudos to you. But we want really know whether na your father take una away from na mother, or maybe una mother abandon una. That part I would love to hear that part. I know you don't owe me anything. Now just your decision to do that video. Yes. But when something come out, everybody get their own opinion. Everybody get their answer to question to ask. That is why I want to try make you clear this hair, clear this part, and use and educate men and women. If na the type when abandon a children just because I want to punish my husband, they should stop it. That part, I want to really know that part. Let hear from her how they take send her out from house.
Of course, my dad was left with no other option. Will I say he was left with no other option? I would just say, well, my dad decided to do what he had to do to take care of 6 kids. You know, we're 6 for God's sake. You know, if it was only one person, like, okay, we were kind of separated. I'll put it that way. We're all kind of separated. Not kind of, we were separated. So my other sister, I think she went to Enugu. Yeah, she started schooling there. And my brother went to Enugu too. And NJ was still at Navy, but Nelo too went to stay with my uncle and all that. And myself, at primary 2, my dad sent me to go and live with his friend. A friend. See, there's some things that our parents did there. I cannot do it. You see now, with what I know, I can't do it. My dad sent me to live with his friend when I was in primary 2. So imagine sending your 2-year-old to go and live with a friend. You know, because you're no longer they're separated. So I felt like he felt the best thing was for him to send me to somewhere like a family where they would take care of me. So yeah, so he sent me to go and stay with his friend. So I got there. I was literally the youngest in the house. So I went to, they enrolled me at Good Shepherd School in, I don't know if people know the school. So that's where I did my primary 2 to primary 4. My life in that house is not something I want to even remember. I don't remember it being all nice. I have to be very, very honest. A lot of things happened in that house. It's not like I can remember every single thing. But I can remember not being happy there because I was just small and then my mom was not there. I didn't have my siblings around.
People, I hope una hear. It's so touch. Their story, they touch. Why she say she no ever fit do that kind of thing? Because she don't get experience. Me, I not get the experience, but I will never do it. I not get that experience. I will never ever leave my children for who? For who? Ah, glory be to God. Say abroad. Person still there abroad. If now abroad this thing for happen, now the woman will take care of those children. Yes, now their mom will take care of those children. Will take care of them. Then every weekend when the man take the house, you go they take them. If the woman take the children Friday to school, or Friday evening, the man will go pick them from school. Or Monday morning, the man will drop them for school. Then on Monday evening, the woman will go pick them. If the woman, maybe she 2 day big, maybe the woman depend of both of them, the work. Depend of waiting the man they do, waiting the woman they do. If the woman career high parts, the man will learn how to take care of the children. But if now the man career high pass, the woman will take care of her. Then if the man they walk around every weekend, the children will deal with the man. If the 2 of them, as they do their so, they don't know the value of the children. I'm sorry, no, your parents don't know the value of children. I'm draw that my word. Government will take the children out. It will take the children away from them. How? And how are we to say wetin they do, e no good? They don't be our parents. But wetin her daughter talk say the things, the journey when her parents do, e no good, she no do, and e no really good. But my own is why your grandmom not come carry una enter home. May we listen.
You see, it's especially NJ sometimes when she'll come and stay with me for a while, then she'll go back. So I can remember every time I call my dad, I'll be crying like, Daddy, please, I need to leave this place. I want to come back home. I want to stay with my siblings. I felt like they separated us and it really affected me staying alone in that house. You know, my brother too. At some point, my brother was there. But I can't remember for how long, but he was there for a while too. And it was not easy. You know, one time even somebody even tried to molest me in that house. Thank God I was brave enough to.
Glory be to God, the person not succeed. Person not even molest am. I think the thing see the affect and talk of person can't abuse am more. Ha, glory, I beg you. I beg parents out there. If una separate, may una cater for una children. This topic I will treat am. Also, I will talk about them for Esther Family TV. About this video one schedule today. So this morning, 10:15. Wait till be time so. 10:15 when the video one just take place. Now I still about parent. That the friends talk about any man when they take children away from their mom, no be real man. Why that man talking? Now because now the children they suffer. Man not fit take care of children the way when woman will take care of children. Yes, I know say some men they, but out of 199% not fit do one. Now only 0.5% will fit do one. And woman out there, if you and your husband not there again, not say, hey, I want punish him. Now your children you they punish. You know they punish the man. What if the man can't decide to go marry another woman? Till they slave in her children, till they slave your child. Like this our sister Nneka, maybe why her dad take her before man. No. Before man take her daughter out to go give friend. They be our dad though. They be our mother. Now make with the swallow spit. Before father carry your daughter, because he look that his friend say, wife, they when you go fit take care of my daughter. Why mom not go fit take care of your children? Why? Why? Which career reach am? I don't understand this. My sister Nelo and Nneka, please, if now fit talk, say, na mom abandon una, then all the blame will go to Moxie. But if na dad just, he want suffer Moxie, he want tell Moxie say he go miss those children, then we go blame dad. Yes, they be our parents, but we need to blame them for what they do, so that other people when going back on this journey, they will not say what they do, not be both of them, they suffer, they say that they suffer the children. And why grandma not take care of now? Because your father get mother, why she not take care of now? When the mother and the father not there, because my mom they take care of my brother child now, my late brother pikin. My mom take her. That pikin dey like 6 months, abi how many months? When my mom take care of her mom dey alive, but her mom not send whether he born pikin. Imagine maybe my mother, now that kind of grandmom when one like to cook thick soup. I don't take care of my children. No, some grandmother still dey like that too. Maybe I don't forget to. Then that pikin for their village or they suffer. Or maybe in enemy for not survivor. But my mom come bed down, start to take care of her 6 months old baby. And my mom, now I don't they almost going to adult, almost 17 years now. But the reason why I talk about this part, now your mom, why your grandmom not to take care of now? Why not that? Because I see they see some husband and wife when they go their separate way. Then they get mother, then their father will give them to their grandmom. Now grandmom still reject you now. I'm sorry I asked this question. Because there is more on this video. Na grandmother still abandon una, na mom abandon una, or na dad take una away from na mom just because you want punish your mom. My people, if you never watch that video, go watch that video. My main purpose of doing this video, if you be woman, never you try that kind of thing. Say you and man not dey gay. I want punish the man. Now your children you dey punish. And if you be the type when you don't give birth, then you and the man not dey gay. Then the man not drag the children from you. You just abandon your child. Are you a mother? Are you a real woman? Are you a real mother? Now you give birth to those children. Rethink. Take your 2 steps back. Not a back on this journey. Now your children is suffering. No try am. It no good. Who take care of children? Now children no. Go watch Daddy Freeze channel. Daddy Freeze say no matter what, a man and woman they together, they take care of children. Now woman, now children still know. Now lie, no be lie. 100% truth. That kind of a thing. Now you go abandon your child. If you wear that kind of shoe, don't write. Take your step back. Go take care of your children. No be the man you punish. You punish your children. Glory be to God. My sister Nneka and NJ and Nelo, as now forgive our parents, we praise God for our life. Who am I to say? I know if it's talk deep. Deep we did that video, but they be our parents. I swallow spit. Glory be to God. The only thing why they appreciate God for our life, for love when God gives us. Understand one, understand on ourselves. Or that mind they not take care of us together. Glory be to God. But if you never watched that video, Nneka video, head to her house, go drop your own opinion. My own opinion is that any mother when you embark on this kind of journey, abandon their children, do not do well at all. Any father take their children away from their mother, do not try at all. Rethink now the children is suffering. Imagine they succeed to abuse this lady, our sister Nneka. If for never ever fit come up from his memory. Glory be to God, they not succeed. Thank you all my returning subscriber. Now this one I get to talk. Who am I? Now mother, now parents, now our sister, now our dad and mom. As far as say my sister, they try to bring and come out to educate people. That is why we choke our mouth inside. If you want to wear that shoe, no try am. No try at all. No try am. No be shoe one person they wear the hot. Go burn your leg. Throw am. Wash your leg and wear better shoe. Now your children, sweet children, beautiful children, lovely children, 6 children, woman, abandon her for father. I be father take her away from children. What do you want to use and do? You when you be father, take away 6 children out of the woman, or you woman abandon the 6 children for your husband. This one strong teeth. Can. No try am o. Nneka and NJ they succeed am. You know me say you when you want back on it, you want succeed am. No try am. No try am. Carry your children close to your face. Papa your children. Let your children see that mom hug, mom hits, parents hits, parents hug. Please, I'm not get to talk. Till I reach my next video. So let's go.
discuss, cause I dey win by default.